right eye was 300,000. Hey.
Excelsior.
Maybe when I lost my human heart, I also lost my human emotions. But I don't feel nothing for Himeno. Soon I'll get my hookup night with Miss Makima. Thanks to you, I've gotten way stronger. So now I can kill all kinds of devils. What a tool! Snatching innocent cats!
I only take pleasure in the company of cats.
He'd been eaten by another. First time I heard that one!
All is lost. Normally, you'd be arrested for it. The second its bulbous eyes gaze with Meowie back in my custody, I
There's
have
so
no
much
real
I could
cause
say,
to
but...
any longer. Yet there is no escaping Makima.
I can't believe you covered me.
Huh?
Always stay aware of your situation and know the weapons available to you.
The old coot is too fearsome.
It's gonna suck all the fun out of life if this keeps up. I was working hard because I wanted to enjoy living, so dealing with this is a steaming pile of bullshit.
Given the hotel incident and this latest attack, it's become evident the enemy forces are targeting Denji.
It's past my bedtime, so I'm headed home.
Tree cutting nets me about 60,000 yen a month. And that kidney I just sold was, 1.2 mil. How much did they go for again? Not even 100K, I think. For dinner tonight, let's go full-on carbivore and split a slice of bread, okay? Guess what I found out recently? Damn, I'm feeling smarter just from talking about being smarter.
Too, denji. I have invented 100 stratagems already!
All I know is two heads are better than one, so putting ours together has gotta make it harder for us to lose.
Thus the player becomes the plaything.
Hope I don't have to chainsaw out and get all dizzy.
I believe that just from how hard I fight. Your reward will have a little tongue in it. Denji, dear.
Power of kisses keeps Denji going, so we know he won't die.
Right! It's melting in my mouth. Wait, I think that's... What the hell? Her tongue feels good. It's so soft. Wait, hang on. Is that... She's watching.
Wanna do it?
Dude, I'm so dizzy.
Oh, sweet Denji. You're crazy about Miss Makima, aren't you? Stick 'em up.
When it comes to sexual matters, the better you understand your partner, the better you'll feel. How long are their fingers? But understanding another's heart is easier said than done, so start small. There's a favor I'd like to ask.